Press.
Welcome to watching Tyson video. This is our new machine for access band the aluminum frames to make all the corners go inside together into the frame, and the four corners join together in one time to make all the corners very close, and also the big clamp, powerful clamp to make all the frame in a very good condition, no any damage or broken on it. Okay, now we see how this works. Okay, guys. First, when we open this machine, we put this frame already to put the corner together, go inside, and then we will go into the next station to join it together. As you see here, all the four corners join together in one time, and then the four corners will close very well. And this will not need too much experienced workers to handle that. All the new workers only need to put the frame in that side to access that in there, and then to start work. And in this station, to go to the next production line for it. Is for a big size. As you see here, the corners will close very well, very simple for this. Okay, this is the Tyson frame, the new automatic machine to access bend the aluminum frames. Okay, thank you.